Want to create more content in less time? Say hello to Canva's video highlight feature. It is just the thing for creating a whole bunch of video clips. If you've tried this feature before but noticed a lot of flaws, I have a bunch of tips and tricks to make this feature work better. My name is Jennifer and I am an Empower Canvassador, showcasing how to use different features in Canva in a way that you may not have thought of before. To showcase this feature, we're going to start off in a video document. Below the banner, you're going to see a bunch of different icons, and one of them says social media, one of them says video. Click on video. I'm just going to click on a regular video size. The very first thing you need is a video, preferably one that you've uploaded yourself. We're going to go right over to the Uploads tab, and we're going to go to the Videos tab, and you're going to notice that I've got a bunch of videos here already. To show you an example of how this works, I'm going to choose this 5-minute and 55-second video and click on it. It is a vertical video, but I want you to see that it will work on a video that's 5 minutes long. How you're going to find this feature is by clicking on your video. There's nothing here that says highlight. It is under trim. When you click this, there are several options. Auto trim, highlights, it's got the timing, it's got a play button, it's got these purple ends that you can move around and trim it yourself, and a done button. This might go really quickly because I have used highlights on this before. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but we're going to click highlight. Like I said, I've done this video before, so it immediately picked up what it's done previously. Whenever you hover over something, it starts talking. We've got 8 or so highlights that it selected, and you can even see it here on the little preview window, so to speak. I'm going to go ahead and show you right now how this works. So we can click on any one of these. If you have an order in mind specifically, then you can click it. So I could click this and it's going to show you 1. I could click this, it's going to show you 2, or you can just click it in order. So let's click. And I have it set up. We just clicked all of these, and now we're going to add selection to the design. Each page is going to have a short segment. So if I click grid view right here, but it created 8 or 9 different short clip videos. Next up, we're going to talk about the benefits of using this feature, but also some of the limitations that you might have, as well as some ways to fix it. The benefit is that this is an AI power way to generate a bunch of different clips from your videos. You could use this for YouTube Shorts, for clipping shorter segments to go into videos, maybe find shorter clips to upload as separate videos themselves. We're going to click highlight again. What I mentioned before is that you can customize the order that these clips go in. If I want this to be first, it could be first. If I wanted this to be second, it could be second, and so on and so forth. You can also choose what clips that you don't want to include. This is a huge benefit because you don't have to clog down your Canva video editor by selecting clips that you don't want to begin with. Maybe I know I don't want to have introduction and a purpose within it, so I don't have to click that. The other benefit is that it's pretty intuitive. Once you know where to clip the trimming feature, you can find the highlights very, very simply. And you click it and you let it do its job. It selected 3 different clips to pull from this 17-second video. It suggested an exciting new feature: introducing captioning and automatic word generation. This leads me into some of the limitations of it. The main limitation that you're going to find is if you're using Canva for free, because this is a Canva Pro feature. We can tell that because once we click trim, there is a little crown right next to highlight, which means that this is a Canva Pro feature. The 2 things that you can do to fix this is 1, manually edit your videos, or 2, use my link in the description box below for a free trial of Canva Pro so that you can give this feature a try. Let's highlight this segment that I got with my friend Claire a long time ago. Click highlight. It suggests smash that like button, imagining without a background, and show appreciation.
If you're getting...
I'm going to go ahead and click all of these and click add to design. One of the disadvantages is when you rely on AI, they may take some things out of context and you may not get the clip that you exactly want. That's why it's so important to review the clip. Let's look at clip number 1.
If you're getting value out of this video, make sure you smash that like button. Show Jennifer how much of a bloody legend you reckon she is and smash that like button.
What I liked about that highlight was it did sort of nail the idea that it smash that like button because it calls it smash that like button. However, it gave me 2 copies. Let me show you how to manually adjust that. I'm going to add duration to this. I can see the video's length. I'm going to left click on this mouse and reduce it. Try to find that spot. So I'm going to watch it.
If you're getting value out of this video, make sure you smash that like button.
That's where I would like it. And I'm going to use S on my keyboard to splice it. I can take this little bit and delete the page. That video clip looks like this.
If you're getting value out of this video, make sure you smash that like button.
Let's take a look at video clip number 2. I just imagine that without a background. I just imagine your little finger popping up.
Gosh, this is a bloody good video.
I would say that AI didn't nail that because it didn't include the context of what I'm talking about at the beginning. But I really did like, my gosh, that was a really good video. Why don't we try to reduce this? Left clicking and reducing. I would love to be able to see what the rest of this is because I know that there was more after this. I'm going to left click and drag it out.
Gosh, this is a bloody good video. I wish that there was some way I could...
Previously, when I had done this, it actually kept repeating.
Show my appreciation. Why don't you smash the way I could show my appreciation? Why don't you...
So let me do this and bring it out.
My appreciation. Why don't you smash the like button?
And then I'm going to need to go in a little bit. If for some reason that doesn't work and it gives you the repeating cycle over and over again, then what you can do is click trim.
Gosh, this is a button. Why don't you smash the like button? Gosh, this is a bloody good video.
Click done. I've got a better video too. Let's look at video number 3.
Way I could show my appreciation. Why don't you smash the like button? If only there was some way I could thank Jennifer for this amazing video. Oh, I know. I'll give a super thanks.
That one had what was at the beginning. I need to trim that. So let's click this.
Way I could show my appreciation. Like button. I'll give a super thanks.
Now we've got that.
If only there was some way I could thank Jennifer for this amazing video. Oh, I know. I'll give a super thanks.
The limitation is AI doesn't always get it right, but you can manually adjust it to make it better for you. Just don't rely on the AI to get it right 100% of the time. The next limitation you're going to find actually has a very simple solution. Let's upload a video. The problem that you're going to have with this is I've uploaded it and I'm going to click trim. I'm going to click highlight. Highlights will be available after upload is complete. The problem is that you must let your video upload all the way before you can do highlights. One of the biggest limitations is the length of video. I'm going to try to clip the 16-minute and 14-second video into clips. Maybe I would be able to have some shorter videos for my YouTube channel, but when I click trim, there are 9, and click highlights, I get this message. Video too long for highlights. Your original unedited video file cannot be longer than 10 minutes. Select or upload a shorter video and try again. Clearly, this has a more complicated fix. You can download your video into multiple parts. so that you could re-upload it into Canva, but that will take some time. One thing that I've not talked about is downloading or exporting your videos. Let me show you how to do that. Click Share, Download. You're going to choose MP4 because that's going to give you the video format. We're going to select Pages. For this particular video, actually, I want page 2, page 3, and page 4 because those are going to go into the video, and click Done. I selected this one called Download Pages as Separate Files. We're going to go ahead and click Download. That is another Canva Pro feature that I use all of the time. I'm going to show you what it looks like on your computer. Downloads, Limitations. If I right-click Limitations and click Extract All, it's going to give me a new folder. We're going to extract to that. Here it is. I've got doesn't nail it, doesn't nail it, doesn't nail it. I see this one's 4 seconds, this one's 12 seconds, this one's 7 seconds. And then put them wherever you want to put them. For me, I put them into this video. There's one more thing that you can do with these clips. Watch this to learn more about the new captioning feature right within Canva. Blooper time! I cannot get my lighting right today.